Welcome to the top picks. The best COVID tests is probably one of the most essential tools we have in our arsenal for navigating the ongoing pandemic, offering peace of mind and the ability to take swift action if you or a loved one contracts the virus. These at-home diagnostic kits have become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, allowing for rapid results without the need for a clinic visit, empowering individuals to manage their health proactively and responsibly. Understanding the nuances of these tests, from their accuracy to their ease of use, is crucial for making an informed decision that best suits your needs and provides reliable information when it matters most. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Home Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Home Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. Join millions of families who trust this FDA-authorized test. It's a reliable way to check for COVID-19 without needing to visit a clinic. Stay protected against evolving threats. This test is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, giving you peace of mind. Testing is simple and comfortable. It uses a non-invasive nasal swab that's easy to use with minimal discomfort. This test is suitable for individuals aged 2 and up. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Forget about shipping samples to a lab. You get your results quickly and conveniently at home. What we like? If you're looking for a test with a proven track record and broad detection capabilities, this is a great choice. It's trusted by millions and designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. The easy, non-invasive nasal swab makes it comfortable for most users, including children aged 2 and up with adult assistance. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The test kit includes all the necessary components for a quick and reliable test. Number 4. CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use, making it easy to access and administer yourself. It's designed for individuals ages 2 and up. Our easy-to-use design means you simply swab and test. It's a straightforward way to check for COVID-19 quickly and efficiently. No more waiting. You'll have your results in just 15 minutes, allowing you to plan with confidence for the moments that matter most. Rest assured, this test is designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern, including Delta and Omicron. It provides reliable detection you can count on. Each pack contains 5 individual tests, ensuring you have enough for multiple uses or for the whole family. Stay prepared and informed. What we like? For families or households needing multiple tests, this option is ideal. It comes in a pack of 5, ensuring you have enough for several testing needs. It detects all current COVID-19 variants of concern and provides results in just 15 minutes, offering quick peace of mind. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The test kit includes all necessary components for a complete analysis. Number 3. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes. No appointment or lab visit is needed, making it ideal for home, work, or group screening. The swab is soft and short for comfortable self-collection, perfect for ages 14 and up, or ages 2 and up with adult assistance. No deep insertion or extra equipment is required. Skip crowded clinics and long lines. You can perform this at-home test whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription or lab drop-off is necessary. This test allows for quick and reliable results for individuals aged 2 and up. Proper procedures are included for both self-testing and assisted testing. Everything you need is included in the box. Just open it and follow the simple guide for fast, confident results. What we like? If comfort and convenience are your top priorities, consider this test. It features a gentle, non-invasive nasal swab, making it perfect for those who dislike deep insertion. Its over-the-counter availability means no prescription or lab visits are needed, and the complete kit provides everything for a straightforward testing experience. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results within 15 minutes. The design of the test kit is user-friendly, with clear instructions and all necessary components included. The test kit is highly sensitive and can detect the virus even at low viral loads. Number 2. SPEEDYSWAB COVID and Flu A plus B Rapid Home Test, 2-pack. Detect COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B all at once with a single nasal swab. It's a convenient all-in-one solution, eliminating the need for separate tests. Get clear and accurate results in just 15 minutes. The easy-to-read lines make it simple to understand your test outcome, even when you're worried. This pack includes 2 tests, providing coverage for your initial test and a follow-up if needed. It ensures you're prepared for recommended retesting. Using it is easy with just 4 simple steps: swab, swirl, drop, and read. The straightforward instructions ensure anyone can use it confidently. It's authorized for ages 2 and up, making it suitable for the whole family. Adults can self-collect, and children can be tested by an adult. What we like? If you want to test for more than just COVID-19, this is the test for you. It's a 3-in-1 combo that simultaneously detects COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B with a single nasal swab. The simple 4-step process makes it incredibly easy to use, providing comprehensive respiratory health insights quickly. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test kit is user-friendly, making the process straightforward. The test kit includes all necessary components for a complete analysis. Number 1. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Home Test Kit Bulk. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Home Test Kit. Get accurate results quickly, right in the comfort of your home. This FDA-authorized test delivers results in just 15 minutes. No need to send samples to a lab, saving you time and hassle. Testing is simple and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. We provide easy-to-follow instructions for a hassle-free experience. It's suitable for individuals aged 2 and above. Adult collection is required for younger children, ensuring safety and ease of use for everyone. This bulk pack contains 90 kits, providing 180 tests. It's an ideal solution for families, workplaces, or frequent testing needs. What we like? For organizations or large families needing a high volume of tests, this bulk pack is the most economical choice. It offers the same ease of use with zero discomfort from the non-invasive nasal swab. Optional app guidance is available for step-by-step instructions, ensuring accurate testing across many individuals. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results within 15 minutes. The kit includes all necessary components for testing, making it convenient. The design is user-friendly, with clear instructions for self-administration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.